Hello everyone, let's see how to make a cartoon dinosaur. First we are making the face of the dinosaur and then moving ahead towards its body. As you can see, we are making the hands right now, and after that we are making the toes, and then we are making the big long tail, and then we are detailing the eyes and body, and our dinosaur is done. Next we are making teddy bears. We are making 4 teddy bears with different expression. First we are drawing the teddy bear with muffler, and we are drawing the body and structure with a cute little cap. After that we are drawing the second teddy bear on a leaf on top, wearing cute short and making a cute expression. After that we are moving ahead to our third teddy bear, which is again wearing a muffler with different pattern and who is a little bit sad or angry. And then we are moving ahead to our fourth teddy bear who is wearing a cap and very chilled out, holding an apple in his hand, and it's ready. Next we move ahead. Here we are making a shark surrounded by some small fishes. First we are drawing the body structure of the shark, and then we are drawing out the eyes and then the teeth part. The teeth look so ravishing, and then we are gonna do the fins. After that we are making the fish around the shark, and it's ready. Next we are making an elephant. For that, first we need to make the body of the elephant and the tail of this elephant. After that we are making the teeth and the cute toes of this elephant, and then we are gonna detail the body by making eyes and ears of both sides, and then we are making the tail of our elephant, and it's ready. Next we are making a cat. First we are making the face of this cat, and then we are making the body of the cat, detailing it by the tail, and then we are making its face with eyes, nose and mouth, and it's ready. Next we are making a bear, first starting by the face, and then we are detailing the face with eyes, ears and the cute mouth, and then we are making the body of the teddy bear. It looks like that he is going to the school sadly. Next we are making a mouse. First we are drawing out the face of this mouse surrounded by the ears and the body, and then we are making the hands and the legs of this mouse, and it's ready. Next we are making a bear. First we are drawing out the face and the body of the bear. After that we are detailing the body and the face by giving him eyes, nose and mouth, and it's done. Next we are drawing a pig. First we are drawing the body and the face of the pig and detailing its face with eyes and the nose, and you can see it's ready. Next we are making a duck. First we are drawing the face and the body of the duck in the pond and detailing it. Thanks for watching.